Let us discuss about reformat and comparing files. In the reformat, the Copy utility by allowing you to change the format of your files as you are copying it. Reformatting rules are given in the reformat definition datasets. The next topic is compare. Comparing two similar files are possible in FileIt. First, let us have a hands-on on reformat. Here, this will help us to convert a file from one format to another. Here we are having three options, and here we have to specify the reformat definition dataset. Here the reformat definition dataset should follow a specified criteria that is given in the slides. To reformat a dataset, the record layout should be given. After giving the record layouts of before change and after change, we can view the record layouts with changes. The top portion contains the source COBOL record layout and the bottom portion contains the target COBOL record layout, and the target COBOL layout contains the changed field of the file which we are going to make. The definitions are provided and it is saved in a data set. Here we have to execute the reformat definition that are stored in the reformat dataset. To execute this, we have options that should be provided. The input dataset name and the output dataset name with the member names are specified here. And if we want to run the execute command in foreground, we can give ex command. Before that, we can have a selection criteria, which are all the data should be copied from the original file to the target file. And here the employee type which is present in the original file is reformatted in the target file, and it is specified in the right corner. Next comes the utility. Here the compare option is used to compare two specified files. The compare execution option screen. Here we can give whether the compare execution should take place on online or batch. And here we can give the selection criteria information also. Here comes the criteria options. For compare type, if it is a keyed file, then we can go for as. This is the compare execution option screen. Here we can give whether the compare execution should take place on online or batch. And here we can give the selection criteria information also. Here comes the criteria options. For compare type, if it is a keyed file, then we can go for as, and if it is a non-keyed file, we can go for option R, and one gives the one-to-one file comparison. Record ahead record count should be given only if the compare type is R, and the records to compare I have given option as all, and the differences to compare all, and modify print defaults are white. Here comes the print options menu screen. In this we can give the options for printing. Here we have print options, format and hexa modes also. Also we can specify the print options for formatted reports. After this screen, we will get the compared results screen. Here I have given all the fields to be compared, and so it is exhibited in the status display as comparison fields. By giving end, we can have the comparison on processing. After processing, the filelet will allocate a separate file to have the compare results with the user ID as the first qualifier. The compare detailed report is seen here, and the records in the old file and the records in the new file are compared, and if there is a change and it is highlighted as a change, and if it is any delete or inserted conditions are there, it will also be displayed here. Here we can see the compare statistics of the compare report. In the old data set we have 10 records, and in the new data set we have 6 records, and number of records changed is given as 6, and the number of records deleted in the new record is given as 4. Also we can have a print of this report by having a print command, print facilities. Here we can give why to have a print report, compare report to be printed, and no for not printing the compare report, and the compare is completed here. The reference is filelet MVS user guide, and